Hey everyone, welcome back to Ledger Life. I'm excited to dive into some hot topics in the world of finance and cryptocurrency today. From Bitcoin's potential growth to some troubling news from the banking sector, and even a glimpse into the political landscape regarding crypto, we have got a lot to unpack. So let's get started. First up, Bitcoin is back in the spotlight. Analyst Peter Brandt is making waves with a bold prediction that Bitcoin could rise over 400% against gold. That's quite a leap, considering Bitcoin has already seen a staggering 350,000% increase since its launch. Brandt points to some promising technical patterns in the Bitcoin-gold ratio chart. This chart helps investors see how Bitcoin stacks up against gold. A rising ratio means Bitcoin is outpacing gold, and it looks like we might be in for an exciting ride. What's interesting is the classic inverse head and shoulders pattern that Brandt mentions. If Bitcoin breaks above the neckline in this pattern, it could reach an eye-popping target of around 123 ounces of gold per Bitcoin by 2025. Right now, it's around 24 ounces, so that's quite a climb ahead. With institutional adoption ramping up and Bitcoin ETFs drawing in over $17 billion this year alone, the landscape is shifting. Could Bitcoin redefine investment strategies and challenge gold's status as a safe haven asset? Time will tell, but keep your eyes peeled. Now, let's talk about a rather sobering situation in the US banking sector. Recent reports reveal that American banks are sitting on unrealized losses totaling $512.9 billion. To put that into context, that's 7 times what we saw during the peak of the 2008 financial crisis. These losses have been building for 11 straight quarters, primarily due to rising interest rates impacting the value of held-to-maturity securities. Even big players like Bank of America are feeling the pinch, accounting for about 20% of these losses. This situation isn't just a concern for the banks themselves. It could ripple through the economy. If lending standards tighten as banks seek to protect themselves, individuals and businesses might find it harder to secure loans. And with commercial real estate defaults looming, we might see even more challenges ahead. So while the banking sector is more robust than it was in 2008, these unrealized losses remind us that vigilance is key as we move forward. Finally, let's take a look at the political side of things. Vice President Kamala Harris recently made headlines with her comments on the cryptocurrency industry during a major fundraiser. As she faces off against Donald Trump for the presidency, her stance on innovation, particularly in tech and digital assets, could be pivotal. Harris is keen on supporting emerging technologies like cryptocurrencies and AI, promoting a balanced approach that aims to protect consumers while encouraging growth. This is a significant shift in tone, especially since the crypto community has been keenly observing how politicians plan to regulate the industry. On the other hand, Trump has been more direct in courting the crypto crowd, promising to cut back on regulations and revamp the current framework. His approach appeals to those who desire minimal government intervention. As we gear up for the election, how each candidate navigates the crypto landscape could shape the future of digital assets in the US. It's going to be fascinating to see how this plays out and what it means for the industry at large. So, there you have it. From Bitcoin's potential rally against gold to the banking sector's challenges and the political landscape's impact on crypto, there is plenty to keep an eye on. What do you think? Will Bitcoin outpace gold? How will banks handle their unrealized losses? And who do you think has the best approach to cryptocurrency? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from Ledger Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.